Okay guys, I got a message from some of you asking me what is the best cheap method to promote your affiliate products. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best and cheapest ad company that you can use for affiliate marketing. And you are probably wondering right now, is this method good for beginners? Yes, it is. Why? Because you don't have to invest that much money, and also because setting up ads in this company is really simple, really easy. And I'm going to show you step by step how to set up that ad campaign. Now, it is important for this method, you don't need to choose a niche, but you do need to choose a good product with a good sales page. But how do you actually find a good product? Well, what you can do is you can simply come here on ChatGPT, and then here you can ask ChatGPT to give you best products, for example, on Digistore24, something like this. What are the best Digistore24 products to promote with ads? And then press enter. And now ChatGPT will analyze this and it will give you a list of products. Here you can see it is already giving me a list of products that are best selling on Digistore24. Now, here you can see source of this information, and in most cases it is actually this website here. So when I go, for example, on this website, I can see entire list. Top offers on Digistore24 for February 2025. And when I scroll here, I can see products. Now, I personally don't like promoting drugs, so I will not promote any of these products here. So let me just scroll to find, are there any other good products? Okay, this is a book. This is actually a good product. So let me just scroll to see, are there any other products that I can promote? Okay, here, the Genius Wave. This also looks like a good product. So also this is a good product. Patriot Eagle. Donald Trump is still really popular in United States. So you can sell this really easy to Trump supporters and make a good money. But I won't promote that. I will actually promote this one here, the Genius Wave. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this, okay? And I need to go on Digistore24 Marketplace. So I will come here on Digistore24 Marketplace. So, and here, and I need to find this product here on Digistore24 Marketplace. Okay, I don't need to find it. It is second on the list, the Genius Wave. Here you can see I can earn $45 per sale. And here you can see some more informations. And this is actually a good product. So let me check their sales page, because like I said, sales page is really important. And in a minute, you will see why. Okay, so look, this looks like a decent sales page. They have a video, they have some disclaimer. So this looks like a good sales page. So next thing I need to do, I need to start promoting this product. Now for that, we are going to use company called PropellerAds. I'm guessing that some of you actually heard for this company, and this company, PropellerAds, is actually best for promoting CPA offers, but you can successfully promote affiliate products as well. So what you need to do, you need to click here on Start, okay? Now here you need to sign up as an advertiser because you wish to pay for ads. You can sign up with your Gmail account, or you can click here on Fill the form, and you can add your first name, last name, country, city, street address, email. Phone is optional. Here you need to add a messenger. Do you wish to Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype, and so on? And here you need to add a nickname. Click on to continue, confirm your email, and that's it. You will register on PropellerAds. After that, you will come to your dashboard. And this is how your dashboard will look. Here you can see this is a new account. So first thing you need to do, you need to click here, okay? You need to add funds to your ad account. Here you can see you can add funds by bank card or wire transfer. Minimum is $100. That is actually not that much. And here you just need to add that amount. Click here on bank card or whatever, and you will add that money. Also, this is important. You can click here on traffic chart. And here you can see impressions for each country. For example, we are most interested in United States. As you can see here, United States is getting 39 million impressions every month. Cost per mile is almost $21. Optimal is $1.56. Now this is not $18,000. This is not $20,000. This is $20 $2.96. Okay. And as you can see, here you can see for each country how many impressions you will get. Okay. Also, you can click here on push notifications to see how many impressions you will get if you start a push notifications campaign. Here you can see United States 39 millions. So what you need to do, you need to create a campaign. So simply click here on create a campaign. Now here you need to add a campaign name. So let's say, for example, Digistore24. This is visible only to you. Nobody else can see this. Folder, I don't have any folders. You don't really need that. And here you can see choose advertising format. I usually choose either onclick or push notifications. You need to try both of these to see which will give you best results. Of course, you can try this one here. Like I said, I usually use these first two. Here you can see traffic type. I choose either website or direct click. That is what I choose. You can also choose social traffic if you want. Here pricing model, CPA goal. I choose either CPA goal or smart CPM. I choose one of these, okay? Targeted URL. Now here you can add a direct Digistore24 affiliate link. And that is why I told you it is important for that product to have a good sales page, because we can send our traffic directly on their sales page. If they have a good sales page, it will convert much better and we will make more money. So I will go back here on Digistore24 Marketplace, promote now, copied my link, go back here and I will paste that link here. This is my Digistore24 affiliate link. And also what you need to do, you need to add here click ID. In the minute you will see why I added click ID. Now here traffic source, I will leave it as it is. Include anti-block, always include anti-block. Countries, I will choose United States, okay? United States, but you can target any country that you want. And here I will choose $30, okay? Here you can choose target different cities or different states. I usually leave it as it is, okay? Advertising budget, here you can add a daily budget. Daily budget, for example, when I click 2, here you can see minimum daily budget is $30, okay? So I need to add at least $30. Total campaign budget, again, when I type here 2, you will see minimum total campaign budget is $30. So here I also need to add at least $30. I usually add $100. This, I leave it as it is. I don't do anything here. Targeting, here I can choose a platform. I usually choose desktop. You can also choose a mobile. Operating system, I leave all the operating systems. Here, in the beginning, you don't need to do anything. Later, you can test this stuff here, okay? Here you can see collect an audience for retarget. Now, here I told you that you need to add a click ID. When you add your link, here you can see I added a click ID because I wish to actually collect my audience. Here you can see I do not collect automatically, but I click here, collect users who completed conversions in this campaign, because in the future I wish to target only people who are converting. I don't want to spend my money on people who are not converting. This will help me spend less money and also improve my targeting, because now I will target people who are proven to convert, okay? That's why you wish to collect users. Here you can add audience or you can create a new audience. I will just click here, for example, on keto for this purpose. And here you don't need to do anything. You need to click here on I declare and guarantee that my campaign meets the quality guidelines. And after that, all you have to do is just click here on start a campaign. They will review your campaign. If it satisfies their rules, your campaign will start immediately and you will start getting money. If you added more money, if you added a bigger budget, you will start getting more impressions. Your ads will get a priority, okay? Daily budget, if you add, for example, $100 and total budget, let's say, for example, $1,000, you will get a priority. Also, when you choose push notification, Then setting up a campaign is a bit different. Here you can see classic push, in-page push. You can leave both. I usually leave both. And here I choose CPA goal and smart CPC. This leave it as it is. Again, add click ID, okay? And here you don't need to do anything. Here I usually choose these first two, okay? This leave as it is. Here leave it as it is. $100, like I said, you can add $30. $1,000, like I said, you can add $30 if you want. This one is the same. And all this thing here, you can actually target more precisely. I can choose targeting. So for example, I can choose men, that is important. And also I can choose between 30 and 49 years old. And also, let's say, for example, I will choose financing, okay? So as you can see, you have more targeting options when you choose push notifications, okay? Again, collect audience, and these things here are the same. Here you need to add a title of your ad, okay? And for that, again, you can use ChatGPT to give you a title for that ad. And also you need to add a short description. For title, you can add maximum 30 characters. For the description, you can add maximum 40 characters. Here you need to add an icon and a landscape image with these dimensions here. So if you wish to start a push notification campaign, you need to prepare title, description, and 2 images. And here on the right side, you can preview how your ad will look. And when you scroll here, you can also add another creative for testing. As you can see here, you can add another title, another description, another icon and landscape to test, which will give you better results. And this thing here is the same. Click here, I declare and guarantee that my campaign meets the quality guidelines. Click here on start a campaign, and they will review your campaign, and you will start getting impressions, you will start getting clicks on your Digistore24 affiliate link in this case, and you will probably start making sales. Now, ROI is not the best, but if you're a beginner, this is the cheap and easy way to start making money with affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.